KFG weather overview. Taking a look at the satellite picture off the Penn State AWOL site. We have a big heat wave going on in the desert southwest, and they're going to be hot and dry for the foreseeable future, so that'll make headlines out there. And in our neck of the woods, we're going to have to deal with two storm systems this week that'll give us plenty of rain, and they're not really going to be in a hurry to move out of the region, so they're going to linger around. Best day of the work week coming up is Tuesday, where we're going to get a break from all this nonsense. And I still think we'll be below normal on Tuesday, but we will have a decent day after the rain moves out once we get past Monday into Monday night. Now we take a look at the Climate Prediction Center. This is their outlook from May 1st through the 5th. Hanging on to a good chance at normal temperatures, at least for our neck of the woods, which would be mid to upper 60s. But I'm not so sure based on the model data. I think that we're more likely to be below normal for this period, and I'll show you why as we go along. But taking a look at the first storm system, this will be for much of Sunday, so I hope you got out there today. A very nice day with blue skies and temps in the lower 60s. But tomorrow, not so good. This is going to be a raw, dreary day, and rain moves in after midnight from south to north. And I think by the time you wake up tomorrow morning, it'll be raining, and temps will be quite a bit chillier than when they were today. Some 10 to 15 degrees colder tomorrow than it was today. How unfair is that? And this storm system is going to linger, so that by the time we get into Sunday night and Monday, the rain drops off a little bit in intensity, but it's still going to be pretty saturated out there with clouds just hanging on as this stubborn storm system sits around. And actually, by the time we get back into Monday, it's situated off the Massachusetts coast, and we're getting bands of light to moderate rain to move in on the backside of the low. So quite unusual that we have this slow-moving pain in the neck that's just basically just sitting there and spinning. It can't get out until we get into Tuesday, when a upstream shortwave comes and kicks it away. And that'll give us the good day on Tuesday, and we'll be rid of that pesky storm system for early in the week. But then another one moves in, and if we take a look at the GFS model, we see that it progresses in from the west, and this system too is going to want to slow down. So I think Wednesday we have a shot at a little bit of rain during the day, but the main action holds off until late Wednesday night / Thursday morning. And this storm system is really in no hurry to go anywhere. It'll give us probably another inch of rain. Total for the week in a lot of places is going to exceed 2 inches of rain due to these two storm systems. And then by the time we get into Thursday night and Friday, I think you still have to look out for the possibility of lingering showers, with slow improvement by the time we get into next weekend. But I still think we're in the line of fire, because if you look at the way the storm systems, the quick movers anyway, they become more scattered in nature and with less rain by the time we get into next Saturday night and a Sunday. So the progression is for less rain overall, but we're still kind of in the line of fire. It's an active pattern. It's one that's going to be giving us below normal temperatures for the most part. We should be in the mid to upper 60s by the time we hit May 1st, but we're going to hold on to these cooler temperatures. You can see we kind of break out Tuesday, but still cool under sunny skies with temperatures in the 50s. And we slowly make our way up, but overall, not a great picture as far as spring weather is concerned around here. Hopefully by next weekend we start to dry out the pattern a little bit, but below normal temperatures should stick around for a good while, especially as we head into the first part of May.